Hey guys, Rails the Road here, on trains with route tour of the Highland Valley Railway. We've not used one of the engines in series because, well, don't want to. So we're going to use, what engine is this? I can't remember what engine this is. Wait one sec. I put 5 again. Number 46159, Royal Air Force. So we'll go from here and we'll ride right into the route. Well, so I don't know. As you said, nobody said. I mean, should I say? As you've seen from videos, videos of my live streams. Well, most live streams that I've been doing this route in it. Well, I completed it now, and it's all done. So let's just get started. Anyway, so there's that. So after I press F4. So I need to switch the points. So a second. Switch those two, and then switch those two. Yeah, so drive down the route, and I'll tell you what I've done. So here is the docks down at the end of the line. They don't really have a station name because I couldn't think of one. So these are just the docks. There's 2 docks on the railway. Speed up a bit. So just good sheds. It's just a mix of both industry and passenger based goods, not goods, docks. I mean, or yeah. And then there's down here, all the way down here is the main line. So trains coming from the other railway, as you could call it, over there. Ignore it just stops. Well, they come from the mainland. So mainline, yeah. So potentially any other engine that wants to visit the railway or come and stay has the opportunity to come from the main line. So there's that. Just going to switch this back to there because that's coming out of the dock. It's very, I wouldn't say it's realistic, but it's a better route than what I had before because the other route wasn't very great. I mean, I still need to name this whole Juniper Docks. That's what I called it. Yeah, makes sense. This is Juniper Docks because Juniper Station is just literally just around the corner. So we'll get started then. We'll finish up. Well, keep on going. I mean, I think I've been a V-Boat. Is it V-Boat Jubilee or is it V-Boat? I can't remember what this engine is, but it's awesome. Yeah. Ignore the road. I don't know why I've done that. That's... oh, whatever. Okay, so, excuse me, yawning a bit there. We'll carry on. So, the signal's green, so we're clear to go. So, yep, straight ahead. And I want to go straight that way, so that's fine. I think there's a speed limit coming up, I'm not sure. The engines here, right, a lot of stuff I've got on this route, the DLS or payware or in-game, so a lot of stuff. It's pretty cool though. Oh, here we go. The first camera. As you don't know if you follow me in SO3D forums or you follow the screenshot thread like I do, I posted a picture of Flying Scotsman, well, not Flying Scotsman, one of the A3 Grizzly A3s under the tunnel. So pretty cool. Here she is. By the way, guys, this is a train, so trains in the era, just so in case you ask. Where's the speed limit? Oh my god. I might have to do something. I might have to change. Oh, buddy. I'll do it this way then. Just do that. I don't mean to change tracks there. Where's the speed limit change? Is it there? Oh, whatever. I'm just going to keep on going because it's not really going very fast through here because it's near the station. So change that back, and then once this is changed, I change that back. Come on. There we go. So changed. So we'll carry on. I've got a few of these crossovers because this is just the so this is Juniper Station and the turntable. This is just a roundhouse that I put in because it's cool. So yeah, just I need to add somewhere to. I don't know. Did take me a while to build the route, but once I finish college in a few weeks, you will hopefully see more. You will see progress, not on the route, but built on the second episode. I don't know when I'll release that. Maybe first few weeks in June. It's 35. No, hasn't changed yet. So we'll wait. Yeah. So look out for that. As I said, I know episode 1 it's been uploaded over a month ago. College, just got busy with college, so I apologise for that, guys. I promise though, we'll be output in June. So I hope you're happy for that. So we'll carry on down the line. I literally just had random scenery parts just to make the route look nicer. I'm doing speed up, break the speed limit, don't care. There we go, it changed anyway, so that's fine. So we're going to go down to, so there's, come along here. And down the end of the line we'll keep on going, I'll show you. So up to this bridge here, it was flat before, and I'm like, no, I've got to add a bridge in, and it's amazing. You'll see, I've got a camera on it as well, so I press 3, yeah, it's already pressed 3. So, 80 miles an hour, so very slight change in miles an hour there. And it's just a marshy area with, well, a small river. See, with the camera, so. Of course, the roadway's flat, so. Next limit is 40, that's quite cool, I've seen that there. Next limit 40 miles an hour. But I'm not breaking the speed limit, so it's fine. What? Oh, it's fine. Train just froze a second. That was weird. We'll keep on going. Next limit's 40. It's fine. Does she have any... Oh, she does have headlights. I didn't realise. I mean... not headlights, headlamps, so I meant. So we'll press 4 real quick, let go of the tunnel, and we'll join the other side. So, quickly on the other side, and then 3. Oh, there was already a camera. I didn't realise, it was my bad. Pretty cool. So trains will be there. Come on. There we go. That's weird. Okay, it's fine. So, around this corner, I don't know, this is all just random scenery bits because it's countryside, so. I hope you think it's quite cool, guys. Took me a while to do, just because it was... That's scenic. How many coaches is running? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I thought it was 10. I thought it was like 8 or 9, 10. Oh, cool coaches. Anyway, so the level crossing here. Did I put a... I think I put a camera here. We'll find out in a second. Yeah, I did. Still 30, I might just speed up a little bit more actually. So we're gonna stop at Denway, I think Denway Station, and get a double header. So the last station, guys, I think you'll enjoy. You will like the last station. I'd put a lot of work into that last station. Just the amount of detail I put in the station, you'll see. It's awesome. Did I put a camera here? Oh, I need a gap in the fence. Actually, I'll leave a gap in the fence. It looks quite cool. It's like a. So there's a caravan site here. Next to the railway line. I think I put a camera. Yeah, I did. Oh, awesome. Next distance. Oh, next hill's coming up. Oh, excuse me, yawning. Oh. Right, there's 40. Don't care. 5 miles an hour, if it doesn't matter. We'll quickly just jump ahead because I think we're approaching. Oh god, don't tell me what trains we're. No, what station is this? We're breaking Morton Heath is what we're approaching now. This is just a goods kind of station. So yeah, Morton Heath. It's just if you don't want to stop, then trains can just fly through the station. So that's the whole point. Stopping trains will stop. Passenger express trains like this won't stop because no need to, I suppose. Yeah, so Morton Heath. Pass through Morton Heath. That was weird. I thought the train derailed, but it hasn't, so it's fine. So we'll carry on. Yep, we'll carry on going. So it's for trains to unload and. Okay, the signal's green. We'll carry on going. So this is bridge. I like this bridge here. Where's the next speed limit? I don't think I changed it, did I? Because it goes back into the countryside of the bridge. I like some of this area because what I did was a random scenery. You should do random scenery things. I think there's a speed limit coming up here. 80 again. That's fine. Random speed limit. Just put random scenery. And then just put a bunch of trees, and it just makes it look like this. So also I had to move stuff off the railway line, but there's 80 again. It's fine. Oh yes, I love our view. I'll say the line that I'm going on is up the up line, the one down the line. So this is down line. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That camera view is really cool. It did take me a little bit to figure out, but it's pretty cool otherwise. I think there's a camera here. No, there isn't. I'm just gonna let it go into the tunnel and we'll join on the other side. There we go. Stupid game. I'm just gonna close these. There's a camera coming up, so I might as well just press 3 now, and we'll wait because around the corner and then out the tunnel, the next camera is quite cool. It's a cool camera, so we'll wait. I want to say, guys, I want to say thank you, guys, for over 360 subscribers. That's mad. Like, there's the camera there. If we can catch my other channel, my gaming channel, that'd be awesome. And if you got, by the way, guys, can you do me all a favour? Can anyone, if you all want to subscribe or you haven't subscribed already, check out my gaming channel. Link is on my my channel as well, the side. So. Or I'll put it in the description as well, so there's video. It's, if you like cars, and you like my content, then go subscribe to that one as well, please. It would mean a lot to hit 500 subscribers, because I'm sitting at 492, and have been for like some time now, so getting to 500 subscribers would be awesome. I would really appreciate that, guys. Very much so. So, if you can do that, that'd be awesome. I would really appreciate that. Another camera here, we go. yeah, so back to trains then. Um, so back onto this. This is the seawall. This is one of my favourite parts of the line. It took me a while to do because of the how much how much scenery I added to it. It's pretty much like just this along the seawall, because there. I know it's not quite the same as Dawlish, but that was the kind of inspiration I got it from. So whistle before the crossing, add some cars. I know it's an F40, but that's whatever. Just make loads of traffic on the road. So the station here can be a stopping station, but doesn't necessarily have to be. So pass. What do I name a station actually? Just double check. I'm a bit can't remember what I named it, to be honest. I don't know if I just check this. Oh, Brighton's Arch. Because coming up, oh, where the hell? There we go. There's an archway just here on the coast. So pretty cool. I think Denway's coming up, so we'll maybe start slowing around the next corner. So under the arch, there we go. If you recognise the arch anyway, guys, I know it's from Sodor, but I added it into this route because, well, it's a stone arch. Can't complain. I like it. It's cool. So this is quite a long stretch. So I think I might right along here. This is quite a stretch of railway line. So it's pretty cool though. I do like. I've added bits to it. I did this wall right next to the railway line, really close. And there's camera. Here we go. Yeah, train camera here. Might start slowing it down because I know, as I said, Denway is literally just around the next corner. Denway's the main station. It's the station, the basis of the railway line is where most of the engines live. I think, is that right? I think that's right. Whatever. If you know the Highland Railway, you know what I'm talking about. So, oh, here we go. Yeah. No, I think. Wait a minute. No, this is the docks I'm coming to. Denway's next. This is Hatley I'm coming up to. So let's just speed her up. So straight ahead. Yeah, like that. And we'll go this way, and then let me just check this is correct, because I don't want the train to be. I don't want the train to derail. Oh, here's the. Oh my god. Here's the station. So once I stop here at the station, I'm gonna get a new engine from one of these ones here and connect them. Which engine do I want? Sherwood Forester. We'll stop you there then, and we'll go back to find the Royal Air Force, the engine. Where are you? Come on. Oh, there she is. Okay, I'm going to stop at the station when I get to Denway. I'm just going to do a quick magic trick with that because I can't be fussed being realistic. It's a route tour, so. I think there's a camera near the bridge. This is the main docks. This is where all engines will be based. So I think this is one of the second parts of the line I started doing. There's a camera coming up here. I know there is. Is it near here? I can't remember whereabouts it is. Here we go. Yeah, just along this bit here. Yeah, there's boats here. I apologise for yawning. I didn't sleep well last night, unfortunately. It happens. Happens to everybody, sometimes. Sucks, to be honest. Plus I was talking to someone. I think, how close is she to Denway? It's quite far away still, because it's over. over there, so we'll... Double chimney, awesome locomotive. These engines, the engines like these in this style are from GP locomotives. So, they're pretty cool. I like them. So, I'm probably going to note that in the video. This is not a train spotting video, by the way, guys. It's route tour. But I think what I might do, I might try and do cinematic videos. So, like what UK Trains, GWR Trains does. Is it UK Trains? I think it's UK Trains. Is it UK Trains or GWR Trains? One or two, I can't remember which one exactly. I start slowing it down because she's approaching the station. So that's about that. I'm just spinning around just to try and get a good view of she coming to the station. So to go into this, like this station is pretty cool as well. I know we ignore that. I don't know what happened to the platform. So start slowing it down even more as she approaches into the platform. So we'll go 3. I think 3 is what? I don't know. Denway is like one of the main stations on the line. Trains have to stop here. I know there isn't a station building. I might add an island in the middle. That was an idea, so maybe do that after I've done this route tour. Slight change. So we'll keep on going, and then we'll stop it right near the end because I'm going to get the black 5 that I just pulled out just earlier, just then. You'll see, or before descension, and then I'll stop it just here. So she'll pull forward. Come on, and stop. Oh, perfect. So then we'll quickly. I might, or maybe just drive her forward. Because where would I have to drive her to? All the way up here. It's quite a hassle, but we'll maybe just jump her across because pretend she's waiting, and then we'll reverse backwards. The black 5 looks quite similar to the engine, I suppose, and then connect to the engine and. We're waiting till the train's loaded because I believe passengers are getting in. Come on, train. Come on. So let's pull forward. Oh, yes. That's a cool view. I can just imagine a train coming from on the other line, on the line to the left of this rail, right. I mean, sorry, not left. I'm on the left line. On to the right of this, flying down the main line. That'd be so cool. Or with this camera view, so you just see it fly past the camera. Eventually, guys, my series, by the way, just as an insight, eventually, I'll say right now is 19. So episode 2 is set in 1901, 1902, something like that. A few years after the New Year's, and then because all the engines like Ellie, that should be in episode 2. You'll see what happens. Episode 1, so like BT, Dominic, Atlas, and the lot. Jay, Hamish, they're all built before 1900. So, and then episode 2 is what happens. Obviously, on this, there'll be this route here. So what happens to Ellie? Ellie gets found. Not sure by who, but I can toss over that. I can think about that. I mean, oh, crumbs. Yeah. So that should be fun. We'll see how it goes. Press F5 again because I'm. So, approaching the hill, this was, it wasn't requested as such. I just thought I'd do a hill because, well, a bit more challenging rather than just having rather than no hill. Because flatness is, it's kind of boring, I suppose. So a hill it does go up and over, and it's not very steep. So, do I have a camera here? No, there's no cameras here. So we have a black 5 and what appears to be, looks like a black 5. I don't know actually. They're very similar though in shape. Is rebuilt Jubilee? I could be wrong, but it looks very similar though to black 5. Cool. I know Sherwood Forester is black 5 though, because if I hold and right click and then 45231 is a Sherwood Forester is a black 5. Doesn't say it's black 5, but oh yeah, 5 there, I suppose. Awesome. So 35. There's no next limit. Okay, so I need to carry on. This is not very steep hill. It's only 1 in 5. No, so 2 in 4. My bad. 2.5% nearly. I don't think it gets any steeper. It does flatten out a bit and then climbs up again. See, look. 0.25, 0, and then up again. So just very flat and then climbs. Oh, there's a camera. Oh, that's a cool view actually. Just seeing the train climb up the hill. I was thinking in episode, I don't know, but yeah. So anyways, carrying on about the episode thingies. Episode 3, not too sure. Maybe 1905. Episode 4 will be 1900. I don't know. I'll find out. Maybe think about it. So every so often, a new engine will come to the railway, and I'll say, unfortunately, the engines that are on the railway, Hamish and all that, will be bought by other people and preserved due to realistic and thingy reasons. Some engines, though, will stay. Oh, the game froze. The train froze again. Well, wait a second. See, it does that occasionally. I don't know why. But anyway, yeah. So as I was saying, later on in the series, eventually, I was thinking like a 9F, and it would come to the railway. Excuse me. I apologise for yawn again. I'll maybe put a yawn count. It'll be funny. Camera there. Nope, no camera there. So we're approaching. I can't remember what bus station this is actually. Let's go free camera and then we'll. Nope, I need to. Oh, okay. The line did just change. I can't remember what I called the station. It's one of the small. What is that? I wonder if I just click right that. View details. Hilltop Station. Right, because this is the mine. This is Hilltop Mine. Yeah. Because it was the top of a mine. So it's the top of a hill, I mean. My bad. So here they come through Hilltop. We'll just speed her up. Speed them up, I mean. As they rush to the station, 39 miles an hour, 40. That's enough speeding. Not fast. I wish you could do exact speeds, but you can't in trains. You can do. You have to do what you. Have to do what you were given. Excuse me again. I yawned again. Okay. Signal's gone green. Dark red. Mean. Turn next train. If there's gonna be a train behind them, there won't. Hopefully. Oh, I doubt it. I'm gonna get this finished. camera there? Nope. I'm gonna have to finish this video early, guys. So I'll film. You won't see a big gap. It'll be a quick edit. I'll just pause the game so I know where I was. I've got a driving lesson in when I'm recording this video in about 10-15 minutes. So, but obviously when you see this video, I'll already have my driving lesson. So hopefully this will be up later on. I don't know when later. What I might quickly do though is if I pause the game, do that, and I'll try to get a good picture because I want this as the thumbnail. So 4, and then go up, and then go that. That's perfect. Okay, use I don't mean to open that. Do you see what I'm doing in a second? So if I don't want to open that. Yes. Oh, flipping hell. Close. Screenshot. And then F10. Close that. Yeah. Okay, so let's carry on. Sorry, it was just F4. And then we'll go 4. No, 3. So I was just getting a picture of 4. Screenshot. Oh, we're going downhill now. So I think there's a camera coming up. Yeah, carry on going. So next bit down here is this is part down. This is coming down the hill. This gully kind of bit is just a road. I know this is set in before. I don't really care though. So then we have a canal, which I really like. I like this section. I know. Ooh, don't me go in the water there. So here comes the trains. We'll just go 3 again because there is a camera coming up, I believe. I can't remember whereabouts in the canal section. And then there's a. I'm hoping. I can't remember where it is, but this is a really cool section. Oh, here we go. Here's the camera. Just before level crossing. I know. Press 4 quick. There's a. I need to change this. Make sure this is. Oh God! Just train's not frozen. Please not frozen. Please. No, it's not frozen. Okay. Can't change it to train. We'll have to go this way. No, that's fine. So we'll carry on. So this is approaching. Oh, what's the station called? I can't remember what the station's called though. I should know what the station's called. I really can't remember. But it's one of my favourite places, stations. Just the way it's made. That would be a notification from Windows 10. Thank you very much. Try and find a station name real quick. So what did I call it? Oh, I still haven't named it. Damn it. What did I name it? I actually can't remember. Ridiculous. So under this bridge. Oh, we're actually pushing near the end, actually. Because up here is nearly... We're approaching the end of the line, I believe, so... Yeah, I think we're going the other way. There's a small curve there, down into the tunnel. Tunnel then goes... It goes all the way straight to the end of the line. So, I think what I'll do in the next few minutes of this video recording... Oh, no, I don't want to do that. I just want to go 4. I love that. That's so realistic, actually. I'm glad trains did that now. Because you used to see the smoke through the hill and it looked ridiculous. Who did they are? I think there's a camera coming up, so we'll press 3 just now. Oh, okay. I think there is a camera coming up. I know there is. So we'll quickly just keep on 3. Camera 3, not camera 3. Because camera 1 is cab view. There isn't a cab view in this engine. 2 is next to 3 is tracking. Or again, this is another part I really like because it's just like it's alongside the railway line with the houses. It looks like it could be in real life. And also I need to add more scenery trees here. I'll maybe leave it bare to us and just do it through. I wouldn't want to live in these houses all the time. These would be quite noisy having trains thundering by all the time. So I'd add a tracking camera here. So this is tracking. So and then under this bridge, this is just a railway bridge. So down that line down there is just an abandoned bit, the railway. I love this. I really, really do. I might just pause this here, actually. So, anyway, guys, so I'll be back in a second. You only see a quick edit. So, thanks for watching so far, and we'll see you next bit. Right, okay, so we're back to where we were. Let's carry on. So, where were we? Okay, so we're here. We're past... We're going through Templeton Holt. There is nothing here because it's going to be like an abandoned halt. We're kind of on the main line. Whew. Okay, so I'm just back from a driving lesson, guys. Of time. Well, this would be earlier than I have been, so it doesn't matter anyway. So we're going to go up to here, across this main line, this bridge here, coming up to it, and then I think what we'll do is, if I go forward real quick, I'll just skip forward because then I need to make sure the track, oh my god, is the right way. So in that one, and then straight ahead. Yep, we want to go in straight ahead, so straight there, and into platform. The plan to stop just before this junction here, just that's all good. So we'll 3, and then trains across the bridge, as you see. Still whistling. Okay, so they're now climbing up the small gradient. It's not very steep, so it's only 2. It keeps on climbing up to about 5. It's about 5 is on the when I surveyed in Surveyor. I'll just slow down a little bit. Whoa! Bit of wobbly track there. I don't know why it does that. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, it doesn't matter anyway. So, past this town. This is going to be a massive town here, so. She's still wobbling. Stop. stop! Oh my jeez. I don't know why it's wobbling. I don't know if it's because the track. And then now, oh god, I keep doing that. And now going into the... I don't know why they're wobbling. So now approaching, they're coming up to the station, so I'll slow down a bit more. I think a bit more. I might put speed limits on here so they're down to like less than like 20 miles an hour. Well, maybe not 20, maybe like 25 is the max speed limit along here. I think so. So we'll keep on going. I love this stretch. This is like a really cool area. If I was to do another trains route, I probably would include like this walled area again because it's it's not tricky to do. You just need enough of the walls. Right, slow it down because they're approaching the station. And again, she approaches the platform. A bit more. I press 2 because until I can see. Oh, that is cool. I love this station. It's majestic. I'm glad I built one. So, just before the points, so in 3, slow down, and slow, and stop, right about there. Oh, perfect. Obviously, I can't change the points because the engine's blocking the way, but that's not an issue. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the route tour. This is from... Okay, yeah, the end's back up from there. From the end of the line, the docks, up all the way up to Broughton Parkway. I don't know why the signs aren't showing, but yeah. So we travelled with Royal Air Force, and then picked up Sherwood Forester and double-headed the train all the way up to Broughton Parkway. So I hope you enjoyed the videos, guys. Be sure to subscribe to see more. Follow me on Twitter as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for episode 2 in a few weeks.